Hey guys, welcome back to another Minecraft video. And today we are playing iCarly. Hold on, I'm gonna go shut the door. I had to lock it so like people would stop disturbing me. Yeah, I'm back in my iCarly world. I moved the couch because like right in front of here I couldn't fit like this like the rainbow carpet they had. It's not completely rainbow. I cannot do that in the studio. I actually updated it, so now it's actually more accurate to the show iCarly. Yeah, I also made Carly's bedroom, and this is actually where I sleep now. And I also made Carly's burnt down bedroom. As you can see, yeah, this is supposed to be her burnt bed. Yeah. So this is Freddy's apartment and Carly's. Yeah, guys, so that's... Well, I don't want to make this video a short video like all my Minecraft videos have been, so we're going to do a bit more. We are going to just like play around. So I'll see you in another thing. Guys, yes, we are going to be playing Bed Wars. So click that. Well, okay, so that's my Carly. I don't know why it's not letting me. Why is it not letting me play? I don't want to make this video like a... Come on, let me play. Oh yeah, I'm in survival. What the heck? Why isn't it not letting me? Oh my god. I don't get it. Why is it not letting me? Why is it not letting me? Yeah, I don't get it why it's not letting me play. It just keeps bringing me there. Like, whatever I do, it just keeps on bringing me there. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, guys. I just looked out my window and it's literally pouring. Hold on. Okay, guys, I am back. The game is starting in 3, 2. Okay. Okay, I am here. Okay. Okay. Wait, I have a suit on. Oh, I almost made myself fall out of the world. Okay. Probably go back to our base. Yeah, I'm following this dude. I seem safe with him. I'm on the blue team. Okay. So if any team comes over, we'll have to kill them. C-K-I-L-L. Kill. Okay. Okay, there's nothing in the chest. I don't know why it's not letting me. What is this? Oh my god! Literally no one's coming in the game. Literally no one's coming to our base. You guys better not leave me. Okay. Protecting our bed. Oh. Okay, the blue team. The blue team's for sure gonna win this. Blue team's for sure gonna win this. What's this person doing? I fell out! I fell off! Okay. So anyways, like what I was saying, we gotta kill this person. We gotta kill it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do this. Okay. Anyways. Okay, so the yellow team. Oh no, I died. I almost died. Okay. Okay. I'm going to do. We can do this. We can do this. Okay. So, please ignore the background. Okay, I'm going to respawn soon. Okay, I'm back. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I died. I'm trying to kill him, but it just wouldn't let me kill him. Get out. Final kill! Okay, so I was eliminated. Why does the door keep on opening? Okay. So our team was eliminated. Alright guys, I think that's all I'm going to do today. I think I'm done. So I hope I see you in the next video. Bye!